Hi there you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be sharing with you my experience of ordering some goods on Nykaa during the lockdown. So I've only ordered a couple of products because they were really essential, and don't worry, I have sanitized them well and I will be using these products with a lot of precautions, so not to worry on that front. And I've ordered these only because these were really essential and really urgent. I really needed to have them with me, and hence I ordered. And because it's a very unique experience, they are delivering at this point of time, so I just wanted to share the experience with you as well. So let's get started with the things that I ordered. So the first thing that I ordered is actually this Nykaa shower gel, which is in the fragrance Japanese cherry blossom. So this is this beautiful pink bottle which I just can't wait to try, but I haven't tried this out yet, and I'm very sure that the smell is just going to be amazing. So this range actually has quite a lot of interesting fragrances. You can definitely check this out, and this is little on the expensive side, but at this point of time, small little things are going to give you joy, and I really thought that why not just try something different, because I generally use Fiamma Nibbles, Palmolive and all of those brands, but I thought of using something different this time, and I wanted to use this for a long time, but I finally ordered it. And this was much required because my body wash is almost over, guys. All right, the second thing is actually this Lotus Herbal Safe Sun from Lotus. This is a 3-in-1 matte look daily sunblock with a SPF of 40. This is my all-time favorite sunscreen. I have also talked about this in my Nykaa haul video on my channel, so you can check that out as well. So this is something that I required at this point, and you will be wondering, because abhi sab ghar pe hai and nobody is going out, so why the hell do I need to have a sunscreen? Well, it's because I have habituated myself. The moment मैं नहा के आती हूँ, मुझे sunscreen लगाना पसंद है. And there are two types of schools of thought here. So one school of thought says कि नहीं, घर पे हो तो there's no need to apply sunscreen. The other school of thought says that even if you're at home, and because this is summer season, a lot of sun rays, UV rays, they seep in through the windows, and you really need to apply sunscreen in your house as well. So I believe in the second school of thought, and I really like to use sunscreen even when I am at home, guys. And the third thing actually was the most essential for me, because I needed to have a tweezer, and I didn't have a tweezer with me, so I was not able to pluck out these extra hairs on my eyebrow line, and my eyebrow has just gone so bad. But anyway, we kuch nahi kar sakte. We need to be patient and wait for things to become normal again. So anyway, so let me just show you the manicure set that I ordered. So I have ordered this manicure set from Vega, and this is actually quite reasonable. This was just for I think 250 or 275 rupees. So I will tell you what all I got in this set. So I got a nail clipper, I got a blackhead remover, a cuticle trimmer, a straight tweezer, and a nail file regular. So all of these products seem to be pretty sturdy, and this is a very handy sort of a thing. This pouch is amazing, very travel friendly, and you can also just hang it somewhere conveniently. I really like the packaging, and I have not yet used the products, but I definitely will be using them very soon. Now coming to the experience of ordering from Nykaa during this time, so firstly, they are only delivering skincare and hair care products. They are not delivering cosmetics at this point, which also makes very a lot of sense, because they will not be delivering lipsticks and mascara and kajal and all of that. They're only focusing on moisturizers, lotions, face serums, face oils, face packs, face masks, creams, anti-aging creams and all of that, shower gel, razors, then shampoo, conditioner, all of these things. So you can definitely visit the app and check it out. I received these products within 48 hours of ordering, so very prompt service at that, and I again had a very good experience with Nykaa, like always. So you can definitely give it a shot and order from Nykaa, even during these difficult times. If you need something urgently and आपको कहीं और नहीं मिल रहा है, या फिर you can't go out of your house and order buy from some store, then you can definitely try buying from Nykaa. So with that, I've reached the end of this video. If you have found this video to be helpful, and if you liked the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button for getting all the instant notifications of my uploads. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay indoors and stay safe.